scripts that are written very well. Ludo was not the case क्योंकि Ludo की script ही नहीं लिखी गई थी. ना वो हाथ में थी ना कुछ बताया था. I love the first song that came out, Abad Barbad, and people are loving it so much. My favorite is Har Dam Hum Dam. I really like that one. So Paglet, Love Hostel is, I think it's too soon. It made me so excited.
Padayo is going to be winning, I think, at Goa Festival. I
Is
think
it?
West Month Festival. Yeah. Sania, welcome back on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you so much, Faridun.
You've been having a fantastic year. Not everyone is having the best of 2020, but somehow I think you're having a pretty good year.
Yes, extremely grateful and blessed, honestly. It was a roller coaster ride for me too, but I think work-wise it's going pretty good. Not complaining.
Not complaining. So, Shakuntala Devi, you got a lot of good reviews, and now you're having Ludo coming up. I've seen the film. I think your performance is something that will surprise a lot of people because you've not done something like this before.
Hopefully. Thank you so much, Faridun. Really.
No, you're
Coming from
welcome.
you,
You're welcome.
I'm on it. Honestly, it means a lot coming from you. So.
No, thank you very much, and you're welcome. Now, how did you respond when you were approached for Ludo? Because you're playing a rather bindas girl. You know, people can judge her that she can be rather manipulative and the sort of calculations which are going in the mind.
I think people can judge her because I think our society, I don't know about acting. As an actor, I never judged her. I, in fact, was fascinated by how Shruti is and how she lives in her own world. She has her own story, she has her own plans. And I really like that about her. I'm not her. I couldn't relate to her on many levels. But at the same time, I never judged her. But that's my job is. Like, I can't judge the characters that I'm playing. But I think she's extremely cool. I would call her cool. अब लोग judge करे या ना करे, she really doesn't. I don't think so. It affects her too much. The situation that she is in, obviously, it's nerve-wracking. It's extremely. It would make anyone really anxious. But I think she's extremely bindas, as you said.
Right, she is, and she says that when I'm drunk, I'm fun.
Yeah, that's true. She is.
No, she is like basically the way she compartmentalizes her life. I found it very interesting in terms of that when she is with Aditya's character, so she's in a certain zone and she is judging him because maybe he's not that ambitious and successful.
Yeah.
And maybe he doesn't even have a passport for that matter. But when
she's jealous of him, I feel. She's jealous that, like even though she's seeking, I think she's seeking happiness somewhere else. He doesn't have anything, but he's still happy. I think she's on many levels jealous of his character.
In a way as well. I think maybe she's envious of the height as well. She puts that stool to just.
वो height तो शायद Sanya is also envious of a lot of people. Not just my character. I'm very chutku. But क्या कर सकते हैं?
You know, maybe I think everyone has a certain comfort zone. And when you're asked to go out of that comfort zone, how do you prepare for it?
Personally, I'm not that adventurous. I think professionally as an actor, it has always been a conscious effort to push me out of my comfort zone. Otherwise, I like to be in my comfort zone. मतलब you know me, you to know कि मैं तो कभी भी छोड़ के चल मैं वैसी हूँ कि personally अगर मुझे छोड़ दोगे then I will never get out of it. I'm quite lazy and laid back. But professionally, I really have to push myself to take steps and to really, because I know that I got this one opportunity, I will milk it. And how? I just have that in mind. I can get into a rut of being lazy at times, but that's also a process. I think it started off with Patakha, that challenging bit. I had to challenge myself and see if I can play a character like this. And I think that gave me a sense of confidence कि अगर ये कर सकती हूँ तो maybe in other characters it would be good if I can experiment and see what type of roles I like and what kind of films that I want to do. That's why I want to do everything. I haven't decided till now कि क्या करना मुझे पसंद है. I really like doing everything and experimenting.
Right. All right. And now the music is very nice in the film. You enjoy the music?
I loved it. I love the first song that came out, Abad Barbad, and people are loving it so much. Obviously, it's Pritam Da. It's Anurag Basu and Arijit Singh. This, like, it's a deadly combination, and people are really liking it. My favorite is Har Dam Hamdam. I really like that one.
As we discussed during the success interview of Shakuntala Devi, I find it very surprising in a way, very interesting as well, that when I interviewed you for Dangal, you were like that मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ambitious नहीं हूँ and मैं बहुत competitive भी नहीं हूँ, मतलब जो होगा मैं I'll just see how my journey is going to be like, and then you were choreographing for Amir and Zaira in their film. So, but after that, one after another, you've been literally surprising. So there is that maybe element of ambition that you don't like showing to the world, but there is a throbbing ambition within.
I think I was not even showing it to myself. For 3 years, I think professionally, I was kind of like Esa. Obviously, I was new to the industry. So I was figuring out things for myself. But I'm at a point, I think this year has taught me a lot. I know I'm extremely ambitious. Agar ambitious nahi hoti, to I wouldn't have left everything in Delhi and gone to Bombay to pursue my dream of becoming an actor. Definitely I'm ambitious, but also the kind of opportunities that I got, उसको मैं ना बोल ही नहीं सकती थी. मतलब ना बोलना तो बेवकूफी होती. The kind of films that I was getting and the kind of people that I was getting to work with, it was a no-brainer for me to. मतलब मैं हाँ ही बोलना था, ना बोल नहीं सकती थी. I'm very lucky that I got those films and those characters to play after Dangal. And honestly, Faridun, I never expected. मतलब मेरे को एक slightest सा भी hint नहीं था कि my life is going to pan out like this after my first film.
No, definitely. And so doing films like Pataka, for example, you've been appreciated a lot for photograph as well. Badayo is going to be winning, I think, at Goa Festival. I
Is
think
it?
this month itself. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Wow.
Yeah, but that was announced recently.
Where am I? Okay, पत्थर के नीचे.
Super 30, Badhai Ho, and
Wow.
Kali Boy. So yeah, so Badhai Ho is one of the films.
Wow, that's huge. Wow. Thanks for breaking that news for me.
It's been out for quite some time. All right, so yeah, so those are to stand up in front of Vidya, and there have been people who really praise your work and they really like your work. It's not fair, maybe just comparing that. At times, people they tend to praise one and say that maybe unko bhi piche chhod diya types and all that. But there were certain statements for you as far as Shakuntala Devi is concerned. Now that's not easy. That is not easy to get into that August sort of bracket, because the moment you get into that, then you start getting started in terms of that these are the possibilities that one can get from such an actor. What sort of responsibility does it put on you in terms of trying to learn maybe new things, watch certain sort of maybe theater or read something, maybe or watch certain sort of movies to just prepare yourself a bit more?
I think that is before the external pressure comes in. I'm quite self-critical about my work. तो पहले कोई pressure डाले ना डाले, मैं अपने ऊपर पहले ही डाल देती हूँ. I think for the longest period of time, I didn't give myself the credit for the film that I was doing. I was extremely harsh on myself. I used to beat myself down for slightest of mistakes. That I stopped doing now. But मुझे लगता है कि with every film, I honestly feel like कि it's crucial to prepare myself before I go on set. Obviously, the reactions from the audience is not in my hands. The things that are there in my hand is my performance and how I prepare for my role. So I only focus on the things that I can handle, जो मेरे हाथ में है. Now getting the reactions from the critics or the audience is not in my hand. It's their decision whether they like it or not. So I don't even focus on that. I really like when I'm working on a film. I really like living in the moment and going with the flow with the character. So that is something that I can control. I can't control the reactions of other people. That I have decided कि वो नहीं control कर सकते, तो उस पे focus ही नहीं करना, because that gets me into a very negative zone where I really become very critical about myself and my work. तो मुझे कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता.
अभी देखिए एक चीज और भी सामने आ रही है और काफी डिस्कशंस भी उसके बारे में हो रहे हैं. Maybe it's not really a very good idea to be over ambitious at times, because it can be really stressful and you can be too hardcore and cutthroat, and maybe it's not a good idea. And there are also examples of actors who tend to take things lightly, and for example, Tabu, for example, she doesn't go to parties and she doesn't do a lot of things
Who?
which Tabu.
Tabu.
Yeah.
Ah,
So she doesn't.
मेरा दिल का
She
प्यार.
doesn't. No, definitely. I think she's a fabulous actress and she keeps on reinventing herself. But the idea is that she does things at her own terms and conditions.
Yeah,
And so she's not in any race. But the fact is that you can never count her out of any race because she's so good in whatever she does.
right.
So how important is it to enjoy what you do and not to be pursue excellence for sure, but maybe not to be in that cutthroat element कि मेरे पास इतने advertisements होने चाहिए थे, उसके पास ये क्यों हुआ, मेरे बारे में ये क्यों नहीं छपा? How do you
मतलब
balance that, right? And how important is it?
I think that was never there for me personally. That competition bit of being in the industry, मेरे vocabulary में ही नहीं था competition. I in fact used to not like it when I was in school also. तो मैं compete करती ही नहीं हूँ किसी से भी. ना I'm not even competing. वो cliche बोला जाता है ना कि I'm competing with myself. I'm not competing with myself. I actually genuinely like what I do. And that kind of pressure कि कितनी फिल्में करनी है या कितना advertisement करनी है, that type of pressure I never put on myself. I strive for chota perfection in my performance that which is not good. I know I can't be perfect all the time with my performances. I've come to terms with that कि नहीं साना, you can't be always good. कुछ ना कुछ छूटेगा, but you learn from it and you move on. You can't be like, you can't sit with it and be all कि हे भगवान ये मैंने क्या कर दिया टाइप कि मुझे मतलब I can't be harsh on myself all the time. So that I've come to terms with. And that kind of pressure I never take and I will never take because that's not my ambition is. My dream was to become an actor. अब मेरा ड्रीम फुलफिल हो गया है तो मैं फोकस कर रही हूँ कि मैं जो भी काम कर रही हूँ मैं उससे दिल लगा के करूँ और खुश रहूँ जो भी काम कर रही हूँ. बाकी किसने देखा?
Right. Now, देखिए आपने शुरू से आपने दंगल से आपने जो choices आपकी रही हैं, कहीं ना कहीं उसमें एक writing का element हमेशा आपकी फिल्मों में strong रहा है. चाहे वो पटाखा हो या फिर फोटोग्राफ है या फिर बधाई हो है, अभी शकुंतला देवी है, लूडो फॉर एग्जांपल as well as the way your character is written. Now ये आजकल का दौर जो है ये इसमें OTT is playing a very important role right now and the writing is getting a lot of prominence, especially in the web shows. How exciting this phase is for you, and will you be open to doing like a web show if there's a really good idea that comes up?
Definitely. I think this year has shown that even if this is my second release on OTT and it's a relief of sorts, you know. Film releasing in a theater is a good, it's a very, it has its own charm and it's exciting of sorts. But I think this OTT wala release is much more relaxing for me as an actor. You're not constantly thinking about your film all the time, you know. There is a relaxation wala bit attached to it. And why not? Like I have seen some really good series in this lockdown and I would love to do a character in a series because I think as an actor you get a lot of time to prepare and to be with that character. And I'm sort of a person who gets personally attached to the characters that I'm playing. तो सीरीज करके तो और मजा आएगा कि इतना टाइम तक you're getting to play a character which you like. So definitely, and as you said that I really like scripts that are written very well. Ludo was not the case क्योंकि Ludo की स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं लिखी गई थी. ना वो हाथ में थी ना कुछ बताया था. Ludo was a different case altogether. But जितनी भी आज तक करी है, those were the scripts जिनको सुनकर ही I was like कि नहीं ये करना ही करना है. This film I have to do it as an actor. तो क्यों नहीं? Definitely. आप कुछ लिख रहे हो?
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल भी किसी तरीके मैं किसी स्ट्रगल के बिल्कुल कभी मैंने ना मूड में हूँ. I keep it very clear on that. Now, say a movie like Patakha, for example, do you think that it would have had an OTT release? It would have had like a far bigger audience than what it finally did.
It did, right? When it got released on Amazon, I think a lot of people saw it, and then a lot of people liked it as well.
So when a movie is having a premiere and you know, and so it's a different the way, say for example, Shakuntala Devi, for example, the way it has been. So it's directly releasing on an OTT platform. So then there's a different sort of buzz. कि फिल्म थिएटर में रिलीज हो चुकी है उसके बाद में OTT पे आती है, उसका थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट एलिमेंट हो जाता है. Because already released हो चुकी है. I'm saying from that way.
हाँ मतलब हो सकता है, I don't know. मतलब I don't get into it. I think it's more producer और director का call rather than an actor taking a call कि कहाँ आनी चाहिए फिल्म. तो मैंने ये कभी सोचा नहीं बैठ के. मेरी तो फिल्म कहीं पे भी आए, I just hope कि लोगों को अच्छा लगे काम और फिल्म अच्छी लगे.
देखिए मैं इस वजह से मैं कह रहा था, मुझे याद है कि महबूब स्टूडियो में जब हम लोग बधाइयों के लिए मिले थे and आपने मुझसे पूछा था कि that I really hope that it had a better release and it reached out to more people and you're getting a very good response in terms of critical reviews. but you wanted more people to watch.
Yeah,
I'm saying from that perspective.
that thing I really wanted कि लोग, क्योंकि ऐसा बोला जाता है ना, word of mouth. I'm really new to this industry. तब तो मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आता था. That was practically my second film after Dangal.
Correct.
तो मुझे I didn't understand the game at all. मतलब you can call it a game. This number game I never understood, and I don't even want to get into it because as I said, वो मैं control कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ कि कितने लोग जा रहे हैं. I would always hope कि वो word of mouth that people tell me कि people will go and watch it after listening about the film. I was just hoping that people will go and watch it. You know, in that sense I was saying कि हाय कोई तो मेरी मूवी की तारीफ कर दे और 4 लोगों को और भेज दे मूवी देखने के लिए. In that sense I was telling you कि I wish like और लोग देख पाते, but I'm glad like it's on OTT now. People can watch it, rewatch it anytime they want to, and in fact a lot of people come to me and tell me that they really liked it. या कोई लड़कियां आती हैं, they say that oh I'm exactly like this and my sister and I used to fight like this. My sister and I used to fight like Chutki and Badki a lot. But it just feels good. I think as an actor, it feels really good when you're getting validation from the audience, whether it's theater or OTT. कहीं कोई भी platform हो, you just need that the audience who are watching it can relate to you on some level and they like your performance of the film on some level.
Right. Okay. Now you're having a couple of films that are lined up, which once again they're having interesting premises. The film with Vikrant Massey, and then you're having Paglet. Once again looks interesting. So tell us something more about them.
So Paglet, Love Hostel is, I think it's too soon. I can't really talk about it.
That's
but
okay.
The fact that, I don't know, that it made me so excited when that small clip that came out, that announcement of the film made me so happy. एक दिन पहले मुझे post मिला था to post it for the next day. And I started crying. I couldn't believe my eyes what I was looking at. Red Chillies and Drishyam producing my film. I was like, oh my god, ये तो मैंने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था. I was really happy. So that's extremely excited. Character के बारे में या film के बारे में तो अभी बोल नहीं पाऊंगी. But Paglet is something that I'm too excited about. Faridun. Like it's the character that is very close to my heart, and it's a film that is very close to my heart. Yeah, I'm just hoping कि वो translate हो पाए कोई भी पर्दे पे जिस पे भी आए और लोगों को भी अच्छा लगे.
Right, and so you have this very interesting persona on social media. And you can be quite funny, like, and very interesting and very different. You know, I find that something very unusual. Why is it important for you to just bring out that fun element and that to like a sort of like a wacky element?
I think that change happened during the pandemic. I used to do this a lot with my roommates in Bombay. We used to write random scripts and then shoot it at home. कि कुछ बने हैं या कोई film की parody. We used to shoot a lot of these random things. So this happened when I met with a small accident during the lockdown, and one of my ex-roommates, Harshita, she came and stayed with me after my surgery happened. So we relived our days. तो हमने वो बहुत सारे गोपी बहू वाले videos बनाए, because that's what we used to do जब कोई काम नहीं होता था. When I used to wait for a audition call, मैं अपने खुद के ये random recording करती थी ऐसे funny वाले. तब तो social media was not a big thing, but now I have a platform to put my randomness on. And to my surprise, a lot of people like it.
Okay, that's interesting. All right. So, Sania, lovely talking to you. Thank you very much. And and happy Diwali to you and your family.
It's always lovely talking to you.
Same here. All the best and keep on rocking. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.